What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. In today's video, we're taking a look at another TackLife product. This is the SS01 mobile workstation. So in the last video, we took a look at the TackLife electric height adjustable standing desk. And I know TackLife as a tool company, so I'm excited to be able to get back into the tool game here. We're gonna take a look at this mobile workstation together. I've got a couple cameras set up, and we're just gonna unbox this thing and see what it's all about. So I'm gonna continue to unbox this. We'll probably go into a time lapse. I'll lay everything out on the table, and then we'll see how hard this thing is to put together. So the instructions seem really straightforward now that I've looked at it. So I think I can do a little bit of this on top of this table. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna move things around so that you can see the entire thing put together. And we'll finish up the assembly in the floor. Okay, so it looks like I was actually able to do 95% of the assembly right here on the table, upside down. So you don't have to do that. Of course, you can just assemble it down on the ground. It's just more comfortable for me. Two things that I noticed that you'll need to put this together. You'll need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. And I used a nut driver on the handle here on the side. You could use any sort of wrench. They're basically nylock nuts. And then you have a screw that runs through the handle. And that just gives you something that's comfortable to carry this by. But I'm gonna go ahead and move some things around, and we'll finish up the assembly on the floor, and then we'll go over the features. Okay, so my first impressions are really positive with this workstation. It's super lightweight, but also super rugged. You saw me standing on it earlier. I've got loads of tools that kind of float around the shop, and I've been using a really cheap workstation for years, and that's been okay, but it's really flimsy, so you can't put anything with much weight on it. You saw me stand on this. Super heavy duty, so I can throw my big miter saw up here. In the next video, I'll actually be checking out a scroll saw, and that's also a TackLife product, and I think it's going to be a perfect companion for a workstation just like this. And I want to say thanks to TackLife for sending this out for me to test and review for you guys. It's going to get a lot of use in the shop. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you're notified the next time I post new content. Thanks for stopping by, and until next time, we'll see you.